Well, let's stay in British Columbia right now because the government has ordered a review of spending by its public health agency, the Provincial Health Service Authority. Now, this comes after department whistleblowers came to CBC News with allegations that millions of dollars have been misspent during this pandemic since the beginning of it. We get this exclusive story from our Eric Rankin.
The Health Ministry review comes after CBC News brought forward serious concerns raised by multiple sources from within the Provincial Health Services Authority. The CBC agreed to protect their identities because they fear repercussions. The whistleblowers accuse the PHSA, the province's central health authority, of losing $7 million on the purchase of faulty face masks from China, wasting $400,000 on unneeded renovations to its executive offices, and squandering up to $40,000 on daily high-end catered meals for executives and their staff that included lemon ricotta berry crepes and steak niçoise salads. All this while frontline healthcare workers were stretching every tax dollar, barely getting meal breaks. Health Minister Adrian Dix has reacted swiftly to the claims, stating, "I appreciate these allegations raised to me. I've directed the Deputy Minister of Health to assess PHSA's decisions and conduct and provide advice and recommendations to me."
The facts on the face of them obviously cause concern. They do to me, that's for sure. It's important that if things were inappropriate, that they be addressed. It's important that if there's a lack of accountability, that it be strengthened.
For its part, the Health Authority has already provided its response to the Minister, confirming it unwittingly purchased unusable and counterfeit face masks from China through a Montreal supplier, wrote off $6.7 million but won't pursue legal action to recover that money. The PHSA also confirms catered meals were brought in for 18 executives and their support staff for the first 3 months of the pandemic, but claims it was due to heavy work demands. And it also confirms renovations were made to the executive floor after $17 million had already been spent on renovations. Insiders allege the extra work was ordered by the PHSA's new president, Benoit Morin, because he wanted a better view of Vancouver. The health authority denies that, saying the executive floor had to be changed to improve security and COVID protocols. The insiders say whatever the reason, the $400,000 spent on renos should have gone to the pandemic response. One of them likens the PHSA's response to putting lipstick on a pig. The whistleblowers welcome the health minister's review of the health authority's spending, but hope it's a deep dive. Minister Dix says he'll have some answers later in the week. Eric Rankin, CBC News, Vancouver.